What is unstoppable domains? What are NFT domains? What are blockchain domains? How can you buy it? What can you do with them? How can you profit from them? Those are the questions we're going to be answering in this video about unstoppable domains, a crypto and blockchain domain provider that makes it super easy to purchase and flip domains as NFTs on the Polygon blockchain. Before I continue too much farther, just a couple little notes. Number one, there's a link right below this video in the description and in the comments that you can hop over to Unstoppable Domains if you're trying to purchase Unstoppable. That link is an affiliate link. I'm an affiliate for Unstoppable. That means if you purchase a domain through my link, I will get a small commission at no additional cost to you. So, hey, if you're thinking about buying an Unstoppable domain, use my link. I get a little commission, little way of saying, hey, thanks to your favorite DeFi guy. Number two, nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything that you see on this channel, pure educational content, stuff that I'm interested in, remember to always ape responsibly, always do your own research, be responsible, right? So this video, just really about unstoppable domains specifically. Let's dive into it, but before we go any further, do me a big favor, smash the like, smash the subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and that way I can drop these videos on your phone once or twice a day. So let's get into it a little bit here, and we'll talk about unstoppable domains, okay? So what is it? First of all, Unstoppable Domains is a for-profit company where you can buy a blockchain domain specifically, okay? So they're simply a domain marketplace similar to with more traditional domains. You've got places like Namecheap, Bluehost, GoDaddy, where you can just buy a domain. You can then use it for a number of different use cases, like adding a website to it or more things, right? But blockchain domains are a little bit different. They require a little bit different explanation. Yes, you can use them for websites, but you can use them for so much more. Okay, so again, the link is below. You'll come here, you'll land on their main site, and you'll see right away that there's a few options. Okay, this is before you ever even create an account. If you want to create an account, it's free. Right? You don't get charged any money until you actually decide to purchase a domain. We'll talk about that in a second. But the awesome thing about these domains is it's a one-time payment only. Prices vary due to the value or the short, how many letters are in the domain, all these different things, but it's a one-time payment. Most traditional marketplaces for domains are, they have a renewal fee every year. So you're on the hook to pay every year just to keep it renewed. With Unstoppable, it's a one-time payment. It's pretty cool. So once you land here, you'll see the different options: .zil, .crypto, .coin, .wallet, .bitcoin, etc. So there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with this. Like if you're thinking about launching a DAO or an NFT, you might want to secure one of these domains. Okay, so once you're here, go ahead and create an account. It's free. I'm already logged into mine. So let's take you into it a little bit let me just show you this interface real quick before we explore what can be done with a blockchain domain, okay? All right, once you get inside, one of the first things you're gonna wanna do is start searching for your domain. So click over here to domains, subnav over to domain search, and find the domain you're looking for. Now, this is really cool because they've actually done a great job of securing branded assets. So if I search for my main website, let me just blow this up a little bit in case you can't see it. Okay, you'll see that these are all grayed out, right? You can't actually buy these. This is my main website. And you'll see that protected names are reserved for brands. Okay, and so I think that's really cool. So they've done a good job of helping people secure and protect their brand. And if you're the brand owner, all you have to do is reach out to them via message, and they will help you to ascertain the validity of your ownership of the domain and then let you purchase those domains. So if you're worried about domain squatters, It's still possible if they're smart and sneaky, but they've done a good job of protecting you there. Okay, so if I wanted to move forward with this, I would just verify my ownership with them, and I could purchase any of these. Okay, but let's just look for something random, right? Glass spiders, or how about crystal spiders? Could be like a cool name for an NFT or something like that. Okay, so these are all available, right? So this is random. It's 2 words, so these something like this is going to be cheaper because it's not a premium domain, right? This is something pretty random. So these prices are going to range in anywhere in the $20 to $100 range. So the .x's, the .cryptos, the .coin, these are a little bit more expensive because they're a little bit more desirable. This 1 letter extension here is pretty cool and therefore more desirable, okay? But any of these, it looks like .blockchain, by the way, is coming soon. So these aren't available yet. Right, so these are all, again, this is a one-time payment. So just a little bit about the pricing. $20 to $100 is what you can expect for most domains like this. But if you were to find like a premium domain, for example, these can go up very, very quickly in price, all the way up to the $100,000 range. So red.x, for example, star.x, Christmas, these single word short domains are going to be a lot more expensive, and it can range anywhere up to that. I've seen $2,000 domains and more, but I think for the most part, you're looking at this price range, $20 to $40 to $100. So if I wanted to purchase this, let's say I wanted the .nft, I would simply click on that add to cart button. And from there, continue to cart. And you can see I've got a few random things in my cart that I was holding on to. Go ahead and swipe those from me if you want. It's all good. So what I would do is actually I would get rid of these. And then you're going to need to tell them your zip code, okay, in order to check out. And this is where, once you do this, you'll get the options, the various payment options. And this is where it gets kind of cool, okay? So from here, you have 4 options to pay. You can just pay with a credit card, with PayPal, or with cryptocurrency, or with the crypto.com app. So with a little bit of sales tax and the total amount due, the total price comes to $21.88 for me. So I would just go ahead, and if I actually wanted this domain, I would just go ahead and purchase it, and then it would land in my domains. And from there, that is where the fact that this is a blockchain domain really starts to come in play once you own this. So the use cases here are pretty straightforward. Okay, there's a few simple things you can do with one of these domains. You can build a website, a website uploaded on the blockchain and uploaded on IPFS. So it's a censorship, resistant website that can't be taken down. That's from what I understand, it's a pretty technical endeavor. There's not a lot of website building tools, although I believe there's a website building tool coming soon inside of Unstoppable Domains, if I'm not mistaken. But if you're familiar with traditional domain marketplaces like Bluehost, they often give you a lot of ways just to build a website real quick. I think that is coming here soon, okay? But for now, it's a more technical endeavor. So the next thing that you can do with this is use it as a wallet, as a short, human-readable, easy to share, easy to use wallet extension. So you would, once you mint this, that's what we'll talk about here in a second. Once you mint this to your and own it on the blockchain under your wallet, you can then use it as a human readable short URL to use as your wallet address. So instead of sharing that super long Ethereum wallet address, you can just send them, for example, crystalspiders.nft, and then any transaction, if they're sending you with ETH or whatever it is, you can now use it as your wallet. So that's pretty cool. So once you purchase this and you own it, again, a one-time payment, you will then have to go through a couple simple steps to actually mint the domain as an NFT and own it on the blockchain via your wallet, okay, via your Polygon wallet specifically. So in MetaMask, you would need Let's see if I'm logged into MetaMask. So in MetaMask, you would need the Polygon RPC connected, the Polygon network, and you would need a tiny bit of Modic, I believe, in order for the gas fee. But minting it is free and costs under a penny typically. So all you need to do is add Polygon to your MetaMask, have a little bit for the gas fee, and then you can mint it and own it. When you purchase it, right, like you don't yet own it on the blockchain. That's step 2 with unstoppable domains, okay? So the next cool use case that you can do is buy and flip these domains as NFTs on OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace on the internet. And you can see that there's 319,000 unstoppable domains as NFTs currently listed and being traded on unstoppable domains. And if you were to go down here, you can see that it actually can be pretty lucrative if you're flipping more desirable domains. So for example, let's see here. If you were to click on this and you can go to recently sold. Wait a second while it loads up. You can see that a lot of these are selling for anywhere from 0.0013 ETH to 0.0009. And then this one more recently was sold actually for 5 ETH. So burn.coin, pretty cool. Guttercats.crypto, 1 ETH. So right now that's around 4,000 USD. So that's a pretty solid flip for something that probably cost $20 USD. Okay, so you can literally buy and flip these as NFTs. It can be very lucrative. I myself have just a couple of them listed on here, but so that is a use case if you want to monetize quickly. If you are an NFT investor, if you understand the value of domains, this can be a pretty lucrative play. It's I wouldn't say that these are necessarily as valuable as .eth right now as ENS domains, but I believe that some of them may get there, especially some of the .crypto, right? So why would you want to own a crypto domain specifically over a traditional domain? Well, that's a little bit speculative, but I believe, and many believe, that the domaining infrastructure that is coming down the pipe, so to speak, in the future will be built around the blockchain. Okay, so the metaverse, gaming, the future of finance, DeFi, right? All these things are in their infant stages in crypto. And the DNS system, right, the domain system, is going to be essentially the highway, the gateway to all these systems, and censorship resistant websites and domains will be extremely valuable in that ecosystem. So that's sort of the bull case for them. That's kind of like the long term. Why would you want to get involved in these domains? Some of them will be worth more than others, obviously. So let's recap real quick. Let's go back into unstoppable domains. Again, you can find your domain here. You can sign up as an affiliate for them. You can look for your domains. What is it? It's essentially, at the most basic, fundamental, easy to understand use case, this is essentially a one-to-one NFT that is stored on the blockchain that only a single wallet address can own at this time unless they're being fractionalized somewhere else. And you can use them to build websites. You can use them as a wallet address, and you can use them to buy and flip them as NFTs. It's very easy to get started. Again, my link is below. Hop through that and I'll get a small commission. Make sure to hit the notification bell and sign up for my YouTube channel if you want more of these tutorials, more information about blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video.